It is an honor to be here tonight for such a noble cause and to celebrate the 16 years of Sahasra Deepika. 1998 marks the year that Google was founded. Apple came out with the first ever iMac. Britney Spears came out with her hit single, One More Time. And the Sahasra Deepika Foundation for Education was founded. This also marks the year that I was born. Although it would be 9 more years until the Ramakrishnas would change my life forever, they were already transforming the lives of at-risk children in Bangalore, India. I was first introduced to Sahasra Deepika in 5th grade when my class wrote letters. I wrote to a girl named Suma. In our first letters, she told me she liked English, and she had a great math teacher. She loved animals, and I did too. She even had an elephant. Suma and I developed our friendship through letter writing exchanges lasting over 7 years. She told me she was worried about college, but she knew she wanted to explore. I told her I believed in her, and that I cherished the bracelet she gave me. I told her that I needed to meet her, and so I did. I traveled to India twice to meet Suma and to experience life at Sahasra Deepika. There is no book, movie, or picture that possibly could have described what I saw at Sahasra Deepika. When I walked in, I was welcomed with chai. The vibrant smells, the carefully spiced food, the love, the commitment of the teachers, and most importantly, the support that the students give to each other was beyond my imagination. A feeling of warmth and comfort surged through the walls. I laughed with Shushma because her bubbly laugh can bring a smile to anyone's face. I learned with Supriya, and she's also 16. Her smile can light up a room. It can make you feel as if everything is okay. Supriya and I live thousands of miles away. We're living in completely different situations. But living with her and her classmates has made me realize that we are more similar than we are different. In the 16 years of our lives, we have learned, we have laughed, we have grown, we have shed tears of joy, and we have loved because of Sahasra Deepika. I have a newfound compassion in my heart, and I knew I needed to share this feeling with others. That's why I co-founded GIVE, a project with the goals of promoting empathy and enhancing education. We have sent thousands of letters and flip-flops signed with messages of hope, school supplies, books, laptops, and internet to some of our partner schools. Sahasra Deepika and the Ramakrishnas inspired us to do this. We have raised thousands of dollars to continue the education of some of the students at Sahasra Deepika. The Ramakrishnas are quiet heroes. They prove that if you have passion and purpose, you can repair the world. Sahasra Deepika is more than just a school and a home. It's a place of healing. It's a place of inspiration and hope. In the 16 years that Sahasra Deepika opened its doors, over 125 students have been sheltered, inspired to pursue higher education, and are now reaching their potential. The focus on education as a tool towards uplifting and empowering girls has changed lives, including mine. The greatest gift that I have received in my life was from the Ramakrishnas. They taught me what it means to be a citizen. They taught me how to learn with my heart. Sahasra Deepika taught me how to be compassionate and grateful. I have learned new definitions of friendship and family. I have learned that this world is full of contradictions. It's bold, beautiful, and magnificent, but also filled with sadness, misfortune, and cruelty. Because of the love that I saw at Sahasra Deepika, I see a goodness in people, that I never would have experienced otherwise. I know that each and every one of us has the power to make this world a better place. The gifts that the Ramakrishnas give to the students of Sahasra Deepika every day, the gifts they have given me, the gifts that they give to all of us is the gift of learning. The Ramakrishnas deserve diamonds, but they see them in the children of Sahasra Deepika. Only with your generosity can Sahasra Deepika continue to be a school of inspiration, a school of healing, and a school of hope. We all have the power to change lives tonight, to make this world more bold, beautiful, and magnificent. I wish everyone a wonderful evening, celebrating the 16 beautiful years of Sahasra Deepika. Thank you.